Once you launch the Geometry and Maths application, you can see here the opportunity to use it on a small screen like this directly in your browser, or you can also go for the option of the full screen, which will allow you to see all the interactions within the augmented reality on a full screen mode. The logic of the Cleverbooks geometry application consists on the shapes mode. So you will be prompted to launch any of the shapes in the 2D and then have different manipulations within the augmented reality with these shapes. Also, the application allows you to do the test and play a short game. Let's start with shapes. Once you click on the shapes, you will see on down bottom of the screen different shapes in the different names of the shapes in 2D dimensions. Let's start with a square. Once you click on square, you can see here the visualized marker from Cleverbooks. Here on the left-hand corner on the bottom, you see you can manipulate if you want to see hear the voice, or you can switch it off anytime you like. So based on the 2D dimensional shape of square, you can build different shapes of from the 3D dimensions. You can select any of them that you want. We can go for cuboid.
Cube.
So you can see here a cube, and on the right-hand side, you see multiple options of what you can do with this 3-dimensional shape. You can click on 2D.
2D dimension.
And you're prompted to see what kind of 2D dimensional shapes this 3D shape is built of. Now, what else you can do? You can zoom in to see closer, and you can also zoom out with the scroll of the mouse. You can fold it back.
Dimension.
And as I mentioned, you can switch off the audio if you are not interested in. You can see also other manipulations with a 3D shape, and you can hear the sound that supports it.
Vertex, base, edge, fractions.
You can go into fractions mode, and in 3D dimensional option you can see the fractions. So you can see here 1/8, 1/4, and also halves of the same shape. You can switch the shape into circle. And you can build
sphere.
For example, sphere.
Hemisphere.
You can see the semispheres here. Also zoom in, zoom out with the scroll of your mouse.
Sphere. Fractions.
Go for fractions. You can see also different dimensions of the sphere and of the circle. Once you are done with the exercises of building the shapes and all the information that is provided within the app, you can always go into onto this home mode, and you will go back to the main screen. The next step, you can go for a test.
Check your knowledge.
It's an interactive test that supports the opportunity for you to understand if the answer is correct or incorrect.
Select correct answer. Perfect.
Once you go for the correct answer, you're obviously getting the prompt that the answer is correct.
Perfect. Think again.
And once the answer is incorrect, you will get the prompt that the answer is incorrect.
Think again.
So let's click through.
Think again. Try again. Well done. This is wrong. Think again. Try again.
Once you're done with the 10 random questions, you will get the amount of answers that were correct and incorrect. You can retake the test, or you can go back to the home screen and go for another option. For example, a game.
Think again.
Pentagon.
This is wrong. Cone.
Once you've done with the number with incorrect answers, with just 3 allowed, you're not passing to the next level. You will go back to repeat the level.